everyone, it's Emily from Teamweek. Welcome to a new episode of Teamweek Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to create a visual plan for your next creative project. There are 4 major components that you'll have to take in consideration when planning for your creative project. You need to plan your tasks, your team's involvement, your assets, and your deadlines. Here's how you visually plan and document each one using Teamweek. First, you'll need to create a new Teamweek project. Go to your Teamweek dashboard, click the plus icon, and add your new project. If you plan on having multiple projects in your work plan, feel free to color code as much as you want to keep things organized. Now you're ready to add your team members if you haven't done that already. To do so, go to Users in the upper right corner. Click on the plus icon and add your team members using their work email address. Next, you need to add your tasks to the timeline. Start by breaking your creative project down into smaller segments. Next, click on the timeline to open the task editor. Add a new task and assign it to the right team member. In the task editor, you can also do things like assign your task to a certain project, define a daily time estimate, add a start or end time, add a description, and even a to-do list. You can also make sure that everyone's on the same page by uploading shared assets like design inspiration, your brand book, or other documents. Finally, you can add deadlines and milestones. To do so, you click on the date at the top of the timeline, and a pop-up box will appear. Name your deadline, choose a color, and save. You should now have a bright and visual timeline that your team has access to and that can be shared with outsiders using a custom URL. You'll find a tutorial for how to share your timeline through a custom URL in the description below. If you found this video useful or if you have any questions, make sure you let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep being productive.